Hey, well, calm down. Don't yell like that. Don't yell like that. You calm down.
Y'all believe me? Come right back. Sit down.
Sit down.
Right
If you gotta sell, put them in.
moving forward. To the left.
Do it without moving your hands too much. Way too high. Just for reference, too high. Oh, that Brady.
I got that.
All right.
Oh, no. I got that one, bro. It's another hooded.
No, shoot that one. John.
What?
You missed. Get him again. That's a bluebill. Those are bluebills. Haha! I got that too. Damn, Brady, I know, dude. I seen it. I know. No, when it fell. Are you? Yeah, the back one. What are those?
Go get them fuckers.
All right, let's go get them. Those are belly up.
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful. Go.
I don't really care. I just know I shot.
John, all I know is the one that fell right before I pulled the trigger. I seen it do this, and I was like, "Fuck."
He says he swore up and down he shot that one, bro. It don't really matter.
Hey, don't matter.
It's just a duck, in my opinion.
It's a duck. Hey, we got 2 out of them.
Oh, just go out there. Huh? It's like that all the way. Yeah, that's a bluebill.
Oh, right. Two are right. Get down. Now come back. They're circling. Get back and get to the.
Look at that spot. No, they just took off. No, they're gone.
They're gone.
Chase, hurry up and get up here.
Those are either ringnecks or bluebills. Hey! I got a little bit on camera. He dove.
Hey, no, it's okay. He's dead.
Oh, he'll pop up. Shoot him again.
No, he's dead,
All right. I don't know how he's not dead on that one. Oh, there he goes.
bro. He's dead. All right. I don't know if I shot once and you shot once.
Brady got him, and then I cleaned up.
Okay, I was about to say, I shot and I thought I folded it.
All right, so that ended our day. We got Dingus and Dumbass.
I'm Dingus, that's dumbass.
2 bluebills, Buffelhead, and a hen Buffelhead.